One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl. When a rainbow's over, you kiss, no one needs to know.
Yes, they're literally right above.
It's like a dream, I dream, build a path for you, for you. Oh my, oh oh, la 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 light, bright moonlight, only one that I take from starlight. Night, singing far into night, and it's gonna be a sleepless night.
So how do you feel about being here now? You just arrived.
I'm very happy to be in Paris. It's a lot of tea here, a lot of tea boiling, and I'm really happy to be with my friends.
Someday soon I'm gonna tell the rainbow I'm
Yeah. Looks like where's Brie at? I'm taking pictures. Brie, look up. Brie.
Salut.
Okay. Another one. Make it reach in the back. Ooh, I want to. There's nothing left for me. Hi. Now we're at CVS. No, I just need a bag. A walk through.
My tummy hurts. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Thank you.
Match. Oh, hi.
A match? Why?
I don't like the way it looks.
Okay, Rachel, what do you think about the breakfast today?
I would give it a 0, but I could only give it a 1.
Okay, not too much on the breakfast because I had a nice little sandwich with some eggs and sausage. Don't be mad because you had to resort to a cereal. I ate good. It was a good 8 out of 10.
I just had a bagel and cream cheese that I finished fully, and it was okay.
Thank you.
Well, my bagel and cream cheese was really hard. It wasn't even hot, and the eggs were really salty. And then my muffin touched the bottom of the table. But the milk is good. The milk is good. The milk is good.
You're welcome. She's spinning. Ooh, tornado! Tornado warning! I'm literally going. There's no. I can't go any faster. Bree's in front of me. And the Leah's in front of Bree. Closed.
It's closed. Yeah, it's closed.
It's her fault. Bree drove us here and she was like, let's go get Mexican food. First of all, it's Puerto Rican Day. That's offensive. And she decided to go get Mexican food from a place that's closed. They even have their Amazon box
Ignore
here.
her.
They even have their Amazon box. Get the Amazon box.
Okay, turn around.
And get the Amazon box.
Don't get the Amazon box.
The Amazon box.
Ignore her. It says the place is open, and I have proof.
Let's see any other Mexican.
Open.
We'll just go back home.
What's that one?
The pescado al pastor fish.
Black card is my business card. The way we setting a tone for me. I don't need a brag, I really put it in the bag, yeah.
We're going to the beach now. I'm regretting. I couldn't vlog earlier because my phone was designated music DJ. but it's sunny. It's not raining like they were scaring us with.
Really, really hot. It's really hot outside.
Yeah, I'm kind of sweating. Kind of wish there was air conditioning, but yeah. And everybody's fits. Okay, bye.
See, Elaine, how it has that feature right now?
Oh, I can do that. Babes of the X.
Are you smiling?
No. I want my glasses off. Elaine. Oh God, look at this. Oh. Banana.
You look cuckoo sexy. You didn't bring it.
Oh, Bree came in last time. Okay, I wasn't looking. Okay, everybody. I can't wait for this after picture. It's gonna look absolutely atrocious. So it's like 12 something. We went to H2O and it was definitely an experience. There was a black guy with blonde dreads. Are you ever gonna post this anywhere? Cause I want you so bad. But I fumbled, so I didn't get your number. And there were some other people I did not want to see at the clip. But that's okay, cause I look like a hot girl.
Amani was too. I saw her.
I was not twerking on people. They were coming on me, and I was just. I'm trying to be a teenager, even though it's really hard. It's so awkward. So I'm just like.
Yeah, so you're so cute.
I'm excited for this breakfast. I hope it's somebody's here right now.
I said no, literally.
What do you mean?
Oh, you should have seen the video we took this morning on that breakfast. Everybody hated it. I liked it. I had a good breakfast. But that was me.
Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting the foam to turn into freaking water. My shoes are soaked. My skirt kind of got soaked too.
I haven't taken off my makeup yet. You're in my confessional. This is a private confessional. I thought today was pretty okay. H2O, I don't know what I expected, but it met the expectations. It's just getting a little repetitive. But this one dude, he would not leave me alone. And again, I was like, I want to dance with somebody. All my friends are dancing on people. And then God cursed me. He said, I'm going to give you what you want, and you're not going to like it. And it was cool, but it was like, it's reaching an hour. You're obsessed. But then, and then I thought I lost my car key. Let me look up here. Then I thought I lost my car key. I was feeling it. I'm like, oh my god, it's gone. I'm looking on the floor and there's bubbles and foam everywhere. I'm like, guys, I'm like, my car. And like, they're like, huh? I'm like, my car key. I'm like, what do I do? So I had to go separate myself. And I'm like, I just told my mom that I'm okay. How am I gonna tell her what happened? I don't have my AAA card. I can't even call AAA to come unlock the car for me. What am I gonna do? And then I'm like, it's like, okay, maybe I dropped it. Then I'm like, maybe somebody took it off me. My car is really right down the street. What? And I'm like, guys, I don't know what to do. I'm really shaking Mariah. I'm like, Mariah, what am I gonna do? And then I just feel my body some more, and it was literally hanging. It fell down my shirt. I was like, oh my god. Then I found it, and I had to go give reports that it was fine. And then after that, it was a blessing in disguise because the dude left me alone. So yeah, and now we're back. And now it's Bree's turn. See you tomorrow. It's a new clip.
Okay. H2O, I think it was nice. It started playing better music towards like the middle. And I was kind of hiding from people the whole night because they were right next to us. But, and I just kept seeing people. I was like, oh my gosh. And then, I found some sunglasses. I thought I was doing a good job. That's when, like I'm having a good time. And then that's when Aaliyah tells me she loses her keys. She tells us she loses her keys as soon as dreams and nightmares come on. Literally, I was like, I'm sorry. And this been what you've been waiting for? You ready? I lost my car keys. You ready? No, we're not ready because Aaliyah lost her car keys. And it's like literally, I'm like, oh my gosh, like, I want to keep seeing, but, I got to help her look for her car keys. So, I'm looking for the car keys.
And then she goes back.
It was really questionable. I'm just looking for the car. I don't see it. And you weren't many places. So, I'm seeing her. I'm like,
yes, we was moving.
Yeah, and that's what I'm like. I'm following the trail. We haven't been on the right side of it. So, no way it's over there. That's why I'm like,
I was looking around us.
literally, I'm looking, and then the guy behind me is like, "What you looking for? What you looking for?" First of all, I thought
Was that big nigga?
yeah, I thought we were gonna do one little thing and then done. But literally, like we're standing there, like your guy. Literally, I'm sitting here. I'm sitting here. Yeah. I'm sitting here.
She's cute.
And then, like, it was just very anticlimactic. And yeah, like I said, Leah's losing her keys. I had to turn up for the one time.
It's okay.
And it was like, so. It was good, though. Like, I had fun, but I don't know if I want to go back tomorrow. I think I had too much fun today.
What do you press? Whatever you press for the banana. I think it's one of the uppers.
Yeah, press the top right button.
The top right button.
Or the top left.
Top left.
Sorry, top left. Why am I sabotaging?
So where I'm recording this is real life racism right here. Literally open the door.
I'm only close the door on herself. Welcome.
Move. Wait. How does it go? Move. Bitch. No. Hey, bitch. What up?
I'm actually on the phone with my mom right now.
No, you're not.
Action.
You know it's because you know everything.
You don't even need dreams. Turn your back, stay work, don't sleep. Oh, gonna break that shit down. You don't wait till I wait around. Oh, that's your way of loving now. And that's your way of loving now. How can I tell you? Shit that you've been through. You're so confused. The kids are brother, I should know. If it ain't your view. No love. No love. Give me a bus.
The light is coming to get back everything the darkness go. The light is coming to get back everything the darkness go.
Why do we have chemistry? And the need for speed. Doing things to jump a beat.
I don't have any songs.
You love it how I move. You love it how I touch you, my one. And all is said and done, you believe God is a woman and take.
You said ew? Is that nigga back? Is that the black man?
No.
You're coming back to horror shit.
Wait, you take a
Piece of the universe when I'm in company. It's all in me. You loving how I move you. You loving how I touch you, my one. And all is said and done, you believe God is a woman. And take a feeling after midnight. A feeling that you care by my one. And all is said and done, you believe God is a woman. Yeah, yeah. God is a woman. Yeah, yeah. God is a woman. Oh, oh, oh. All is said and done, you believe God is a woman. You believe God. God is a woman. Oh, yeah. God is a woman. And all is said and done, you believe God is a woman.
Having me talking to the vlog.
On our way to the boardwalk. Oh, I need to take a photo. Where the camera at?
Okay, night guys. We're going to the boardwalk, and they're having a plane show, and then I can't do the noise. It's trauma. Okay, but yeah, that's what's happening. Wait, let me take a photo.
I'm gonna record next time that happens so I can show my mom.
That's what I was talking about.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah, they're literally right above.
No.
He said, baby,
That's what he called me. You're supposed to smile, Rachel.
Yeah,
Right, I was saying to Antoine. Like you could literally get a surfboard and ride these waves. And we saw people walking like 20 minutes ago.
Look, oh my goodness.
The road.
Oh no, don't focus on this.
I'm scared the car's gonna start filling with water.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Let me see. Oh my gosh.
Why do you look? Wait, she looks like she's a vampire.
Like she's like glowing.
Yeah, like glow.
sleeping in shoes.
Yeah, and then I have another picture. And then that was you before you put the blanket on you.
Yeah, I took pictures before and after everything.
Amani, do you remember coming around the corner and just standing there? What do you mean?
When you woke up, you were just standing
You were
here.
just standing here.
I didn't say anything. You woke up, you were just standing there. And so me and Bruce saw you.
Yeah. No, I remember waking up in the bed and that was the morning. That was the morning. More like annoying. That was snow. Okay, guys.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know where my wallet is.
Thursday, we went and got sushi and stuff with Amani and Rachel's friends, and then afterwards we went mini golfing. We also had cookie dough. The cookie dough was really sweet.
Yeah, that was that night.
And then we came home.
We also got our pictures.
Oh yeah, we got our pictures, our telescope pictures.
No, that was Thursday. We did that before we went golfing.
Friday, we went to the beach in the morning.
And the boardwalk. Oh, we got, well, all of us except for Mariah went to the Frencher donut place. It was really good.
Yeah, I stayed in.
It was really nice.
And there was,
And they said our name all French.
we got ankle bracelets, anklets. We got matching anklets.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
But yeah. You don't want to teach.
Great
Great time.
It was
Great
I
time.
don't know, it definitely top Sunday.
That was the best, and Monday.
Like new music was played.
A
A little bit.
It was way
But it was like the mix
The people there was better.
Yes. Oh my
The
God.
crowd. Okay.
The
I feel
crowd
like
was-
the crowd makes the night good or bad, and the crowd.
I
There
didn't
was
even
less
get
when
shut.
I feel the music with the
Oh my God, everyone like Korean or
Yes, I was like, whoa.
We should have gone before like that because it would have been.
No.
There was no inhibition.
sweet.
Literally, you guys were so
Yeah,
cute.
that was a cute
why
video.
So cute.
You didn't get his snap.
I don't know. It just
Yeah,
let me
Amani-
her like, let me get your Snapchat.
Amani was dancing,
He was
she
trying
was
to get
getting
back to
down.
Amani was getting like down to the
He was dancing on
ground.
other girls. So I was just like,
No, he
oh,
was trying to get back to you. And that's what I told
Girl,
him.
everybody dances on other people. That's
Yeah, literally, I danced on one dude and he went right to Rachel, and I was looking him in his
I
eye.
don't, there was another.
No, we stayed so late. We meant to leave at like 11, 11:30. We stayed
Yeah,
till
we
like
left right
12.
before.
Yes, we were like, we leave it at 11 before we got there.
Because I'm like, no, I don't want to leave.
No, but we were getting tired.
I was having a good
It was
time.
starting to wear out.
I'm not. I don't know how you weren't tired.
You know, we
Oh,
kept
and
The trip, that made my trip, that being the last thing we like actually did, that made the trip an 8 out of 10, 7, instead of a 7.
yeah.
I'm also still recovering from Tuesday night.
What was Tuesday night?
Thanks.
Oh, so thanks, goodbye.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks. Thanks, Edward. You basically call me Edward.
Okay, I'm on.
So
Like,
yeah.
that's not even relevant anymore.
I'm just saying.
Why didn't that erase your memory?
I don't know.
How do you still remember?
Because it was
That was
one of the
actually
most
a
embarrassing moments of my
millisecond
life.
interaction.
Well, I stopped using the camcorder because I just kept on forgetting. I was just
Yeah,
living in the
camcorder
moment.
died on.
It was
Fell
just
off.
a
So it was
hassle.
just. I mean, we have like cute things on there of us at the beach and stuff.
So how do we properly end this? Like, I feel like we should say something before we end this.
Like what?
This was this. Yeah, live, love.
Live, laugh, love.
Go to Ocean City for your senior week. You just have to.
Yeah,
like,
if you
it's
are a
like
junior thinking about
Who's
what
this? Who's saying?
what you're gonna do
with your
summer
life.
week next year,
Definitely.
go to Ocean City
For a
Yeah,
week.
that's fun.
For a whole week, not 3 days. A whole week.
a whole week. Because 3 days you're gonna feel like you don't.
Yeah, because imagine we only stayed there for like 3
Because like the
days. we
first
wouldn't
day
have
you
had
get
last
here, you're not gonna do much. Then the
Mhm.
second day you're figuring out what this place is like. Then the third day you leave. And
I can't believe you guys are lactose intolerant and you just like choose
I
You almost ate all these
I took
dairy
my
products.
lactate
Yeah,
pills.
I was about to say, I would stay away from cheese as
I
much.
took my lactate pills.
But you still had the shit.
You still had
It's normal to shit.
But you had the shit more than you
It's
actually.
not the same when you're like
Your body generally has to. And my water is not.
I used to carry you through town. You used to smother me in the bed. I don't know. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to do that.
It's okay.